What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see today, man, we in RnB again. Like I said, we've been getting it rain and stuff, man. We've been getting it rain non-stop. But I ain't got a chance to really just drive it at all, man. Really lay in it and stuff. I ain't really got a chance, man. So that's the plan for today, y'all. So we can get some outside footage. I need to see how it look on the outside. Want y'all to see how it look on the outside. And we just gonna see what she do, man. We're gonna see what she do. And I'm finna shoot a few reels too while wifey with me. We're gonna shoot a couple of reels for Instagram and stuff. So if you ain't following my Instagram, man, you're missing out right there too, man. JMalcom 2004 Rides. That's my Instagram name. So you ain't following that, you're missing out right there too. But let me see. Let's get a cold start. Cold start on to see how she start up. It's a little cooler today. Yeah, she a little cold. Yeah, it's cooler today. Come on there, RB. Then I was short shifting this thing too, man. I found out I was short shifting too, y'all. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we're checking in, man. We almost in Mexico. Took that little drive. Man, RnB, man, she rides so smooth now. It ain't even funny. She rides too smooth. Super smooth. Alright, y'all, here we go. Yeah, she was spinning that tire. Top of the tire real bad. Oh yeah, she was spinning bad. That wasn't it right there, y'all. That was not it. So I'm gonna turn around, man. We're gonna see what's to it again. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, just got back, man. I love how mellow the car sounds, man. She just sounds so mellow, I'm telling you. Super mellow for what it is. That's how you fool people right there, man. You put them quiet mufflers on there, they be like, can't be a little too much in there. But it really be a little more than what they thought. She runs so good, man. And I like that too. I like how quiet she run up there in the front. I seen somebody add what a squeaking was, man. It ain't that squeaking. That's that little supercharged. It whine a little bit. At low RPM too. Like you can hear it in the car. That's supercharged. And it starts screaming when you start spinning it harder. Y'all see, ain't nothing. Brake don't squeak it down. Look how quiet this thing runs. Can't even hear the rocker arms, boy. barely hit the rocker arm, man. She runs so good. The more I drive her, the better she sound, man. The better she sound, the more I drive her. Smelling good out here too. Boy, she smelling good. Anything never gets hot, man. It never gets hot. I seen my bro Jesse video. He was like, man, I need to get the flex fan off here. I said, oh no, I ain't getting that flex fan off here. I am not taking my flex fan off, boy. This thing run too cool. Like he said though, it do rob you a little more power. The more stuff you gotta turn, the more power it rob you of. But it ain't enough to make a difference. Not really. So, cause I think somebody else was like, man, put electric fans on it. I'm like, what? People in the past done said put electric fans on it. I ain't put electric fan on it when the car run 160 degrees. It'll run 180 on a hot day. I was like, shoot, man, no. And the heat work good and everything. You don't want your car to run too cool. It already run cool now. I mean, I feel like I put some electric fan with a higher CL film, it'll run even cooler. But that fan doing the job, man, so I like it. I like it, keep it that OG kind of original, old school thing. That's why I went back with the blower too. Cause I know people probably wonder why I went back with this old blower, cause they don't make a lot of power, man. People that don't know no better, they'll look at it and just see, all they see is a supercharger, and they feel like you're supposed to be the hardest running thing in the world. But they just don't know. If you're in an engine head, you ain't gonna know. You know about the limitations of those blowers, depending on what cubic inch blower you got. And you know they've been around for a long time. So I want to keep this car, the old school feel, with the touch of modernness, which is the wheels. The wheels and, you know, the shifter and stuff like that, just a modern touch. That's why I didn't want to do no custom interior. I want to keep the interior like this. That's why I kept the old style gauges like that instead of going to a digital or Dakota digital. That's why I kept everything. It's just an old school flow with the slight touch of modern. Like I said, you got different front seats in there, but it's still that old school feel, man. Old school setup, old way in 142 blower. Like I said, small block, Gen 1 small block, man. Everything just, you know, and she run good. She run good, man. That's why I be hoping people watch me and see the way I do my cars. I don't care about the outside world. Y'all were gonna get suggestions on y'all to do this. Y'all do stuff this way. They played out. Y'all know I done went through it. Y'all know I don't give a damn either. Y'all should see, cause I still do it. So when I go at all my builds, I go at my builds with a plan and a vision. Before I even make the first video, I already know what I want to do with the car. I already know before I even buy a car. If I buy a car and remix it, I know what I want to do with the car. And y'all know I did everything I said I was gonna do with this car when it first came to the channel. I literally did everything I said I was gonna do from the beginning. But I never told nobody how I wanted to keep it an old school flow and all of that. Like Dolo is my more modern car, man. It's my more modern car. Everything custom, the interior. People like that played out, but I wanted it how I wanted it. Interior custom, cause they 2013 Impala seats. Then y'all know we got the Dakota digital dash in there, but still got that touch of old school feel. I didn't get the complete digital. Then we got the 26s, and this thing centered around more modern and modern technology. It got modern technology when it comes to the drivetrain too. Got everything you need to have. Big meats gonna be just like I got it, just like I had it back in the day. That's why I say I'm not doing no Tierra grill. I'm not changing the front end to a 86 and up model or European. I'm not 87 and up. I'm not changing the front end. I'm keeping the front end full headlight 85 and under. I'm keeping it just like it is. Same thing with the tail lights. I'm not going to the more modern European style tail lights. They look better, but I want that car to look like it looked in 85, soft top and all. Big block, like it got its recognition from the internet. It didn't get it recognition. A few people saw it when it was small block, and I was riding in Glenwood Day and stuff and all of that. People saw it when it was small block when I had it sitting up on the painted gold, the painted gold rims, the paintable rims, in the spinners and stuff. People saw it back then. It was small block, man, with a little shot of gas on it. But I was riding. But it got its recognition when I went and changed my engine to the big block. So that's what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a big block monster. That's what it's gonna be. John Jones gonna keep his look. I'm gonna get my seat redone. Excuse me, y'all. The driver's seat, get it redone, and you know, sleeper look. It looks so unsuspected, man. When it's sitting in the parking lot, it don't look like nothing. Keep it like that. So I got a vision for all my car, man. And brown coat just gonna be that clean look, just clean like it's a hot rod. It's a hot rod. This is not a race truck. People be saying, hey, you need to turn into, I'm not turning nothing to no race car. If people ain't figured out by now, all these bills y'all done seen me do, people should know I'm not turning nothing to no race car. Everything gotta be true street car. And yeah, it's limitations. It's limitations to street car, but I'm cool with that. And my stuff quick to be true street cars. Something you can get in and take your family anywhere. My stuff is quick. I know, I haven't been around racing long enough. The haters don't be wanting to admit it. They don't want to admit it. But the truth is the truth. The truth is the truth, man. Like, I'll never forget, y'all. I'm trying to get this water off. Man, it's a comment. People said they called, Dolo said it wouldn't run certain numbers on wheels. It wouldn't run certain numbers, period. Boy, I can make them look like some food, man. Boy, I be telling people, just leave me alone, man. I don't bother nobody. I don't say nothing to nobody. I come on here, I try to help everybody. I try to give people advice. Now, I do mess around sometimes to get the comment going, but it's for the haters, man. I say something wrong on purpose and come back to the next video called the haters. Some people can't help themselves. They have to correct you, or you should have did it this way, or you don't do it that way. Man, I'm a social media influencer. I'm gonna run engagement at times. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna run engagement up, but it's like throwing the fishing line out there, man. People just they got how they be biting, boy. They be biting, but I don't know. We having fun over here. We getting stuff done. Like I said, gonna get done, man. See, overall, y'all, my overall review of RnB, I'm highly pleased with it. I am highly pleased with it, man. I think I achieved my goal. I think I achieved my goal based on what I have seen this car do, and I only made five licks on it. Somebody said 5. Where? Yeah, if you're in the BCG Hangout, you already seen it. But I only made 5 licks on this car, and this joker riding. I just say that she riding, and so I gotta get on the dyno. Cause y'all know the end goal for this car was just to make 400 horses to the wheels. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. It can make 400.0. It can make 400.1. But the goal was to make 400 horsepower to the wheels. And I really think and feel she doing it. I honestly do. Now, I don't know what she feel like on the passenger side. But I'm gonna have to do a ride rest. I'm gonna take wifey on the ride rest. And now I don't even know what she feel like on smaller tires, cause she carrying a lot of weight. Y'all gotta think, man, my new combo, I only felt it on these wheels. Now on 14s, if I put the Cutlass railing back on, I don't think she gonna do nothing but blister them off. That's all she gonna do, cause she making power now. She making more torque, more all the way around, all the way through the curve, I can tell you. But I am gonna put the slicks and front runners on one day, maybe next week. I change them out, cause I don't feel like it's no reason for me to put the 14s on no more, cause it's just gonna wipe them. It really is gonna wipe them, so cause it'll wipe these if I just nail it. Cause the pass y'all saw the other about 2-3 videos ago, I wasn't to the floor. I was not to the floor, and it already had did better. I was not to the floor. It seemed like it, but I didn't open her up. I didn't really open her up. I didn't. Now, if you're in the BCG Hangout, you saw me open her up, but I didn't really open her up like what people thought. And I just do stuff like that for a reason, man. Cause you know you be having people nosy watching and stuff, so you know. I need to change these windshield wipers. Golly. BCG, hey, BCG fan, we need some, boy, we need some wipers, boy. Look at this. I want no thing, man. I'm finna go get some. I need to change these. I'm finna go get some new wiper blades today. ASAP Rocket. Matter of fact, I'm finna go take them brakes back. Cause I told y'all I'm not putting them brakes on there, man. I was doing that temporarily. I'm not finna put them brakes, man. I'm going to get my money back. And then I can just go order what I need to order. So yeah, man, y'all seen the leak. It wasn't really nothing to see cause it was spinning. In Mexico, I didn't know it was still a little damp on the road till I got there. But I was there then. I was like, man, I might as well get my people the footage. And I ain't go to the floor then cause I'm being safe. Like, you really don't play in no, I don't care if it's a little bit water on the ground, but you don't even play in there like that. But like I said, she reason she sounded like it to the floor spinning cause it was free spinning. And it was a little damp. The wheels just, I went to the floor, it probably would have redline. And that made me think I ain't even set no real limit on that thing. I need to do that. I'm gonna go in the box today and set a rev limit. I definitely need to do that cause she'll turn some RPM now. I need to calm her down. But the old engine, when turned like that, I ain't really have to worry about it cause it climbing so slow. But now she'll rip. So I'm gonna do that. So yeah, man, I'm sorry I couldn't give y'all no action, but look at it, man. I mean, it's ugly outside, man. I really and you know, I'm just trying to be consistent for y'all, man. Give y'all something to watch every day, or give y'all some fruit, man, to digest. You know, some positivity and all that. And oh yeah, I want to thank y'all too. If you made it this far, at the end of the video, I really want to say thank you to everybody that support my wife, man. She got monetized on YouTube, man. So I'm super proud of her, man. We're gonna celebrate, man. I'm gonna have to get something for her, man. I'm super proud of her for real, man. Like, people don't understand the work that goes into creating content. They think you just walk around a camera and record. Like, it's work, man. It work. Like, people don't understand. It work and it's money. It's time consuming. Like, and it's time consuming, it's money. But I want everybody, man, go over to her channel, her last video, and just put congratulations or something, man. That'll mean a lot to me and her too, man. So, man, I'm super proud of her. But yeah, that's it though. That's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.